Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to grow your investments, knowing how to deposit money into your Vanguard Brokerage account is a must. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step for 2025, making it simple and straightforward. Whether you're funding a new account or adding to your existing one, this guide will have you set up in no time. First off, ensure you have a Vanguard account ready. If you don't, head over to the Vanguard website and sign up. It's quick and secure. Once that's done, start by logging into your account. Use your username and password, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for added protection against any potential risks. Next, after logging in, navigate to the Accounts or Transfers section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for the Deposit Funds option. It's designed to be user-friendly. Now, choose your preferred deposit method. In 2025, Vanguard offers several options like ACH transfers, which are free and electronic, wire transfers for faster processing, or even mailing a check if that's your style. For most people, ACH is the go-to because it's convenient and doesn't involve extra fees. If you select ACH, you'll need to link your external bank account. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your bank's routing and account numbers, and verify the connection through a small test deposit from Vanguard. Once linked, enter the amount you want to deposit, double-check all the details to avoid any mistakes, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation screen and possibly an email notification. Keep in mind that ACH deposits typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan ahead for your investments. And that's it, you've successfully added funds to your Vanguard account. If you run into any issues, Vanguard's customer support is top-notch and available online or by phone. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below.